When it comes to misguided youth, I don't think it is only the duty of the police to be making efforts to show them a different path. It's something which the police has to work together with society, has to work together with other concerned well-meaning groups, and it should be a concerted effort, and we should be looking at having a synergy in ensuring that the youth, as you say, are not misguided.
So tenure of any police chief is beset with problems. The next 2 years, what are your challenges? What do you think? What are the challenges that you may face?
Immediate challenges, I would say, is like I've mentioned in some other forum, that the impression of the perception rather the impression, the perception that Meghalaya police is hostile to the people. Let me put it very bluntly. Correcting that influence, that perception, and to ensure that the people the police are accessible, are there to help you and not to harass you. In fact, to this end, we would be having a kind of an open house every week, one day of the week between 11 and 1. Most probably it will be on a Thursday. I would love if you would disseminate this information. We would be having open house in the sense that anybody who can walk in, who wants to meet the DG, I will give them a hearing. I will meet them personally. Other days, of course, they would have to take appointments, but most probably it would be a Thursday between 11 and 1 o'clock, and we could spill over. 11 to 2 most likely, that would be more 11 to 2 you would be I would be accessible to the...
Are press people also included?
It's up to you. If you want to come, yes. But my only request to you would be other people would also be having other issues. Okay.
So related question.